Hey guys, welcome back to my beautiful beauty channel. If you guys already know me, my name is Sparkles Beauty Blender Babe, and this is me. So I know that Valentine's Day is coming up right around the corner. Oh my gosh, I just realized that I posted this on Valentine's Day. So Valentine's Day is today. So I thought I would just show you guys kind of like what I'm going to be wearing, my makeup, my clothes, my hair, what my look is going to be for the evening. I have something really, really romantic planned with my boyfriend Caleb. He was actually going to be in this video to say hi to you guys, but he didn't want to. Okay, so first we're going to start with our makeup. I forgot my beauty blender. Silly me because my name is Sparkles Beauty Blender Babe. We're going to start off with the foundation. Guys, I made a heart for Valentine's Day. Sometimes I like to lick it just because it tastes pretty good. Alright, so it looks like I've got almost everywhere. Okay, so now we're gonna do some concealer because girl, you know I have bags. Alright, so for my concealer, I like to use this Age Rewind. So you're gonna put these under the eyes, you're gonna shape them big triangles. It's gonna look like you're putting a lot, but in reality, you're really not, and you're gonna just blend it in a lot. Alright, so now you're just gonna want to blend that in. Okay, so now I'm gonna get powder. You just wanna dip it in, get as much as you can. And then what you're gonna just do is you're just gonna go. You're just gonna slap yourself like it's a fish. Just pretend it's like a fish. Oh, do it again. Perfect. Alright, next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be doing my eyebrow. So what you're gonna wanna do is you want to start on the top because you want to be able to follow where you want the thing. I like that really high arch that you get, but I also want it to look very natural. So I'm gonna start here. And I'm just gonna go. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Really nice, actually. It's better than I usually do them. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other one right now. I know you guys want to see it, so I'm gonna just do it really fast and we'll get back to it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into that eyelid and we're gonna do a really, really, really pretty pinky color for Valentine's Day because you know it's pink. Okay, so right now I'm gonna putting that primer on. You just want a glob of it and perfect. The palette I'm using today is this Walgreens or Walmart maybe, I believe. It was actually in a PR package that I got this in. It had no name and address. It actually just said to Carl. Okay, so we're gonna be starting in with just a neutral color of this blue right here. Yeah, so we're gonna start that with the base all over the lid. Oh my god, she's so pigmented. We love her. Now we're gonna go in for that winged eyeliner look. That's really popular and it's really nice for a night look, which is what I'm going on with my date tonight with Caleb. I'm really a big fan of Amy Winehouse. So people have been asking me like what my beef is with like with James Charles, and it's like I don't have a problem with him. I just don't understand why. Like, we were brothers, and then he started using the term sisters, and I was like, yeah, but we're brothers, right? And then he was like, I'm legally not allowed to say that anymore. And I was like, but we're brothers. We're literally brothers. And then he went to court, and he like got us like de-brotherized. But if he does want to do a collab, I'm totally down with that because I really need the views. Aww. And there's a couple more touches up that I want to do, like to the lip. I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. But I'll be back in like a second and you can see like the final look. Alright, okay. So now we're gonna go get dressed. So I know I said I was gonna go do outfits right now, but I forgot that I have to do my hair. So right now I'm gonna experiment with just a couple of hairstyles. Okay, so this is one look for you guys. Tell me, I'm gonna do like 2 or 3. Tell me which one you like the best. Now is I'm just doing a little mohawk because I know that guys, it's Valentine's Day. Just have fun with it. Okay, so here's one look, just this little tiny mohawky. Alright, so here's the second look. It's kind of like a drunk drama teacher, or like a drama teacher that just got fired. Okay, so right now I'm gonna take you guys and we're gonna pick out my outfit for tonight. We're just gonna go with kind of like a casual look. So these were the finishing touches to the look. Just like a simple headband and just like a nose ring in the center. This is just like a casual look going out for Valentine's Day. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up.